Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making something I call eggs with hot dog. It might sound weird, but believe me, it's delicious. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Here are the ingredients currently on the screen. We have butter, cheese, hot dog, eggs, tortilla bread, salt, and black pepper. And as always, the ingredients, the full amount of ingredients are down in the description. So make sure to go check that out if you want to make this dish for yourself. So first of all, we put in the butter, but only a little bit, and then we drop in the eggs. Make sure the eggs are pre-beaten. As you can see over here, that we've beaten them up. And yeah. And now we put in the salt and also the black pepper. Now we put in the hot dogs. Now we put on the cheese. It can be any type of cheese you like mozzarella, cheddar, other types of cheese. And yeah, any type of cheese you like. Now we insert the tortilla bread over the top. Now we just keep flipping it over and over.